Welcome to Dorset Police's new marine boat. This boat is used by the Force Support Group, who are a team of specially trained marine police officers.
This is the first official day out on the new Dorset Police rib. It's taken 3 years from the specification to the drawing board to building the boat. I'm Bruce, I'm a police officer on Dorset Police's FSG, which is Force Support Group. I am Chief Training Instructor and in charge of all the equipment.
This new vessel has the capability to be out in all weather and deploy all times of day or night, and is extremely versatile and manoeuvrable on the water.
Hold it there, Bruce, please.
That should be. Bear with me, I'll run it then.
Standing by.
When we operate the police boat, we operate in a pair. There's always a police coxswain, and the police coxswain is in charge of the boat, where we're going and everybody's safety. And one's looking after the boat and one is running the incident.
This vessel is used by the Force Support Group to patrol the 98 miles of coastline along Dorset. We use it predominantly to tackle organised criminality and to reassure our local communities. We also very much work with our partners, the Border Force, RNLI, Maritime Coast Guard and the Royal Navy.
Down here we have our navigation system, sonar, radar, infrared FLIR camera. Up here I've got my engine gauges.
The police boat is used for search and rescue, and also sadly at times we have to use the vessel to locate missing people in the sea who sadly may have died.
3, 2, 1. It's an honour to work for the police and do this role. It's very exciting, it varies a lot. It's not so good in the winter. However, we've now got a cabin so we can work inside.
We're very keen to engage with our marine communities and those enjoying the water, so if you're out and about, please wave and say hello.